Hello guys, this I want to review this watch. This is Navy Force 9147 water resistance watch. It has 3 subdials. One is for days and another is for month and one is for hours. This is a very good watch and in the night is luminous, and you can see the time from every angle, and the size of this watch is also very good. Rolex is very small, but this is good shape watch. If you wear in this one on the wrist, it looks very good, and the bezel is very much luminous and stylish and smooth, and the back is also stainless steel, and this bezel also is stainless steel. This clasp angle also is very good. I like this watch, and I have lot of watches, but no, this watch is for daily use. You can use this watch, and it is a very good watch, and timing also is very good. 1 year warranty, and it's very cheap watch. You can get it at $30, and it's very cheap watch. Very good watch. Navy Force is nowadays making a good watches, and this watch is very good watch. If you want to buy a cheap watch, buy this watch and see this style. Everything looks very good and look like Rolex. I like this watch. If you want to wear it on the wrist, I will show you how it look. See this watch, how it look beautiful on the wrist. But one thing is disadvantages means this the chain is very small. Small means if a very big person, so it will not come onto the wrist. So it's very good watch. If you want to buy this watch, you can buy it, and very good watch. I can give it at 9 out of 10. It's very good watch, and you can see the time at every angle. See, like I'm showing from every angle I'm showing the time. It's very good watch, and in the night it's luminous. If you want to see it's luminous, I will show you. See this luminous watch. It's luminous in the night, and you can see the time in the night also. I like this watch. If you want to buy this watch, water resistant 30 meters, and it's a very good looking like a Rolex, and it's little bit big. It suits on the wrist. So my review is 9 out of 10 for this watch, and the bezel also very shiny, smooth, and you can wear it every day. And the clasp also is very good. Only one button to open and close. And I am having this watch from 1 month, and it's very good watch. And I tested it for water resistance also. It is very good. There is no water inside going, and the glass, this glass is a Gorilla Glass, no scratchable, and very solid glass, unbreakable glass. So thank you guys for now watching this video, and I like you to subscribe and watch my videos. Any videos, new videos you can watch. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. सब्सक्राइब का बटन ऐसे ही रख